Yo, what's up? Come on in. I'm expecting y'all this time, so I'm ready. I got groceries and everything on deck. This is my apartment, y'all, my new one. Apartment number 2. Y'all seen the first one. But as you can see, it's way bigger than my last one. So let's go over here first. My empty area. As y'all can see, I need a dining table. So if y'all know any nice dining tables that kind of fit this aesthetic, let me know, because I'm open to suggestions. But in here is my kitchen now. I don't cook like that, but you know, I'm working on it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all what I cooked the other day. Look at it. Ooh, look at my groceries, y'all. I got stuff in here this time. But I made some pasta salad. I got some little pork loins in here, seasoning. I can't show y'all though. I wanna show y'all, but I don't wanna show y'all my tricks. My tricks, you know? But it smells, I smell it right now, it's real good. My plates in here, you know what I'm saying? Got my wine glasses, you know, gotta have the wine glasses. Some tumblers in here. I don't even drink coffee, but tea is my thing. Some condiments, I gotta get some more condiments, okay? It look a little bare, but that's how y'all know I don't be cooking like that. You know, some, don't this look nice and organized? Y'all can answer later. This is where I keep all my like Tupperware and all this. I need to get rid of some of this because I don't even need all this. This is for when I'm making drinks, you know what I'm saying? Got a little bartending kit, but I ain't no bartender though. So don't get that twisted. And this is why I keep my libations. I ain't really organized it too much, but if y'all ain't had that Crown Peach, go ahead and try that. All right, now let's move into the living room. Yeah, let's move into the living room here. Oh, I can't forget my water dispenser. Y'all gotta see this. See, we don't have one, you know, the little refrigerators with the, we don't have that in here. So I had to get one of these because I love water. Oh, and for the new year, I quit drinking soda. So water and juice is all it is. But yeah, this is the living room. Gotta represent Atlanta since I live in Atlanta. As y'all know from the last vlog, last apartment tour, I took those 2 pictures there. Trying to get a new couch, but until then, still got my old couch. But the gap between the couch and the TV is kind of long, you know what I'm saying? So I might replace this couch with like a little sectional or something, but we'll see, we'll see. And here's the sunroom, AKA my work office. That's my work desk right here. No, I don't have 2 chairs yet, so I'm switching between studio to office chairs. But when I want to work in here, I work in here. Got my little record player. Oh, I did put my records down here. Y'all want to see what records I have? Look at this. Look at this right here. Kid See Ghost, Kanye West, and Kid Cudi. Who this here? Who this here? John Coltrane. Oh yeah, Kendrick Lamar. You gotta have the Good Kid, Mad City. Can't have no record without Kanye West. Late Registration. Now, I don't even know where this came from. Purple Rain. Don't know where it came from. Oh, and Michael Jackson Thriller. You gotta have that too. What else I got? That's it. I need a little record crate too, so I'm gonna try to find one of those. Over here, I got me a little bookshelf. Some of my favorite books here. Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk. Gunnar Stahl's Portraits here. A photography book. This is a YouTube strategy book by Daryl Eves. I suggest you check it out if you're into YouTube. Oh yeah, this right here. Barack Obama, some wisdom, some quotables. Where did I get this book? I'm rambling. But anyway, and Keep Going by Austin Kleon. That's a good book too. In here, I plan to put 2 armchairs, so it could be like a little reading area plus a little office, but you know. So let's go into the second half. This right here, just an apartment in itself from my last apartment now. So let's go to the second half. This is my YouTube studio. I just installed this right here. This is a backdrop that I plan to use for probably some photography. Secret, I'm about to launch the Corey Jones Show. So it's a separate YouTube channel where I'm gonna have guests and just be talking about various topics with my guests. So we probably gonna shoot right here. And let me tell you about this desk right here. FlexiSpot, they sent me this right here. And I'm very pleased. Very sturdy, very heavy, glass on top. And look at this right here. Press the button. hydraulics. Look at this. So if you want to stand and work, this is a good work desk right here. I'm gonna start standing more because, you know, I'm kind of tall a little bit. So sometimes I need to stand while working. It got a little drawer under here. Press that again and it's gonna go back down to your settings. So yeah, love this desk right here. Hold up, wait a second now. Hold up. It's a touch feature over here? Oh, I guess not. Put these light strips up here to make it a little cool whenever I'm shooting videos or whatever. Got, you know, where I get this from? Amazon. Got this from Amazon. Got me a little fake plant. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all about Sheila out there. Y'all know about Sheila from the last one, so I don't gotta tell you again. Plant Sheila. Sheila is the love of my life right now. Since I'm a single man, you know, I keep care of this plant right here. This is Sheila. But this is my fake plant trying to be Sheila, but it ain't Sheila, but Sheila's still jealous, but it ain't even real, you know? Yeah, this is my ring light that I use. Usually I only use this now, but I do have 2 other lights. And now let me show y'all my closet over here. This is where I keep all my equipment. So anytime I need to grab and go, I just get equipment, batteries, hard drive, microphones, other cameras, smaller camera, chargers, some boxes. That's it. I used to be a coach, y'all. That's me right there. 12-0, championship. I'm an undefeated coach, never coaching again. So I can say that. All right, so this is the hallway right here. Look at that, the runway of goodness. Now you come in here, this is the bathroom, way bigger than my last one. But a bathroom is a bathroom, so I don't gotta show y'all all that. And here, I finally got a wash and dry, y'all. Well, I had one in my last one, but separate. 1, 2, not 1, 2. Whole lot of space, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. If y'all can't tell, I'm excited. And this right here is the room. Walls still kind of bare, but bear with me. So, got my projector up here. You know, the last time y'all was clowning me because my projector was facing a wall with 2 doors on it. Look now, look at that. Blank walls. Say something now. So, I installed this, what they call this? Camera, what they call this? A mount. I installed this mount and I hit the wires with this. Try it. I'm gonna turn this projector on for y'all real quick so y'all can see how it look. Look at that right there. Got movies, got the Netflix, YouTube. We got, hey, if y'all know about Paramount Plus, y'all better check it out. They got everything, Nickelodeon, MTV, old BET. They got it all on Paramount Plus. I don't even need nothing else because Paramount Plus got it all. So y'all need to check out Paramount Plus. And Paramount Plus, if y'all listening, I'm giving y'all some people to go subscribe. So I'm gonna need a little cut of that. Just let y'all know. But yeah, that's the projector in them. Let me show y'all my wonderful closet though. You got this side right here. And then we got this side right here. You know, you can sleep. Sleepovers in the closet. How you, boy, I'll tell you. Easy, easy. But anyway, that's my place, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to, you know, kick y'all out like I did last time. So I'm going to let y'all see y'all way out without me kicking y'all out this time. But thank you for watching. More videos like this coming soon. If I move again, I'm going to do another one. So yeah, see you later. Peace.